now on in the future I were not to sing gladly. You who like cheerfulness should demand that I do, for I am rather obliged by my joy if I have it, not to remain silent there where the happy people are. And you who like singing, listen and sing the coming new songs that I'll write on a gleeful melody. Whoa! What? Whoa! If I were frivolously inclined and didn't fear the toils that love gave me abundantly, I wouldn't have achieved as much yet. But I haven't strayed away, nor will I ever stray away. Rather I have stayed, there I was and will be. And I want you to believe me, you who love, that the same will happen to you, who have but one heart, and bad things to those who have two. Two hides mate, for sure, lying and false men. And I can see that those who have them are of these two inclinations. But if I were believed, which I shall not be, never would a false lover be. There, where it is unsuitable, women of beauty, be wary, each of you, that he who has more bad than good in him does not get a share of you. It is mightily suitable for a lady to be loved by a single knight, and nasty of her to throw in equals, but the one needs in advance to be known as such as loves with a true heart, and then to be held dear where she is. That's how I see it. And if he is bad and boorish, it isn't fit for a beautiful or valiant lady to make him happy. I know a lady with no deceit, about whom a slanderer wouldn't find anything to talk, except for good if he's so inclined. Nor any old rumor raises from her, for she doesn't deserve it, nor does she deserve any evil rake. There, where she is nor here, beautiful and with mirthful cheer, without ill intentions she is, and I would be so jealous of her if the wisdom she has weren't there. Slanderous, what you want about me? For I consider myself and my friend repaid by you